All right guys, so I wanted to make this video today to talk a little bit about being a barber and trying to buy a home. Guys, if you haven't heard me talk about it, I am building my own home. Well, I'm not building it, but we are having a home built. And I went through the process of going through getting a mortgage and all those things as a barber, and I wanted to bring some of that knowledge to you guys. Also, I'm gonna take you to the house and show you the progress as of today. So first off, guys, as a barber, we don't have a lot of proof of income, okay? So that's something you have to do when you build a house. You obviously have to prove your income. And we're known as barbers to kind of hide our income and not claim every dollar that we make. That's really gonna hurt us when it comes to doing something like building a house or buying a car, buying a house, anything like that, guys, where we have to prove that income. And that's why it is so important that we take care of our taxes correctly, guys. For barbers, most of our proof of income comes from filing our taxes. So that is one of the only like solid paper, tangible things that the bank can see that proves how much money we make. We can also put our cash in the bank. That is gonna be something, obviously, that will prove that we make the money, but that also has to go in line with our taxes and what we claimed on our taxes. So those of you who are thinking that you're winning by claiming that you made $15,000 last year, when it comes time to buy a house, guys, the bank is gonna laugh at you and say, there's no way that you can afford this house. So it doesn't really matter how much money you know that you make or that you think you make. All that matters is what you can show on paper. And so it is very important that you guys claim plenty on your taxes. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys, when I first applied to build this house, my 2019 taxes did not show enough income. So I had claimed about $35,000 that year, and I'm making a lot more now than I was back then, but I basically claimed $35,000, guys, and my 19 taxes were just not enough to build the house that we're building. So we had to wait until my 2021 taxes went through earlier this year, and I did claim quite a bit more now that I am making more, and that showed enough income on paper for us to finance the house that we're getting. So if you guys don't have an accountant, it is a little bit tricky because we're self-employed for us to file our own taxes. So I do recommend you guys get somebody that knows a little bit more than you do, just to make sure that those numbers look good on paper, like I said, so you guys can get the house that you're looking to get. If you guys are looking for somebody, I don't mind to recommend you guys to my accountant that I'm using currently. If you guys want to reach out, I don't want to put that information out here, but if you guys want to reach out separately, just DM me on Instagram and I will gladly give you guys that information. She took great care of me, guys, made sure all the paperwork was ready, and made sure that we could get into the house that we needed to. Now, with that being said, guys, I'm going to take you to the house myself. We're going to go by and check it out to see how much progress they made. Guys, we're about 3 weeks out from moving in, so it is almost done. Not really looking finished, but the whole house is there. The inside is almost done, but we haven't checked it out in about a week, so we're going to head over there and see what it's looking like today. We're getting excited. It's getting close, so let's pick them up, head that way, and I will show you guys what the house looks like as of now. All right, guys, we are here. I'm going to take you guys through. The wife's already, she's already looking. Something's in there. We're about to find out. So I'm in the garage, guys. You can see it's not totally finished. This is probably how they're going to leave the garage. They did finish the siding. I'll show you guys the outside in a minute, but let's go in here. Oh, the floors are in. I just saw it. So the floors are in. A little dirty, guys. Keep in mind, people have been in here working, so it is almost done. It's painted. It's painted. Did you notice? So this is a little bathroom, guys. It'll be let's see, yeah, toilet, sink, some built-ins over here.
Love it.
This is the laundry room, so laundry hookups right there. That's gonna be all shelving, and I did just buy a brand new washer and dryer today. So here is the kitchen. Oh yeah.
I mean, this is so good.
Nice little granite countertops. Big nice cabinets, guys. Fridge over there. Stove and microwave here. Big, it's not a chandelier, big light fixture, whatever. Nice big black sink. Some, not built-ins, I always say the wrong things. Those are floating shelves. Big double door. We actually just left the blind store, so we're getting some nice big, some nice big pull-down blinds. There'll be one here on the triple window, one over the door, and we got some automatic ones that'll click up or down, and some big ones in the big windows. We'll do like an L-shaped couch here. What? Carpet? Carpet? Oh my, well, I'm trying to record. We got a little bookshelf to go on that wall right there, and then this will be like dining room table right here under the chandelier. So let's go see what she's freaking out about.
Are they taking your shoes off?
Probably not. They're gonna clean it. All right, guys, this is the front entryway, a couple of closets. We're gonna do like a little bit of a board design here. Basically put a board across and some vertical boards, paint the bottom, probably dark, put a bench in front of it, some coat hangers. This will be kind of the front entryway inside the front door. And like you just saw, we got some carpet already. So, oh, they took the handrail down. So they're painting, I guess, you guys can see this is kind of done, but the hallway is not. So probably not final paint. And there was a handrail here It's not here, so I don't know where it's at. Maybe they're painting it. I think it was wood, but let's go upstairs and see. Ooh, it even sounds different with the carpet. This is just crazy. So guys, we come like a week ago. No carpet, no floor. Just a total difference. So, all right, so upstairs, guys, this is a landing area. We're gonna have kind of a extra pull-out bed, pull-out couch, or something here. TV on the wall right here. This is the new office. So you guys, I will probably be sitting right about here editing. Be able to look out the house and see if anybody's coming to get us, you know. Closet, normal little room. This will be kind of my son's play area and lounge area up here. And then this is his big boy bedroom. So we're gonna still keep a nursery. We do wanna have another baby, but this will be Theo's big boy room. It's about to get dark in here, guys, because there's no lights, but this is his bathroom. Regular old bathroom, just a bathtub, little closet, I think, right here. And then his sink. And this is the cool part, guys. My son, this is the nursery. This is gonna be his view out the back window. Come on now. It's not even fair. Me and the wife were talking. Neither of us even had a 2-story house growing up our whole life. So, spoiled brat, spoiled wife, spoiled son. And then this is the master, guys. So bed right here. Again, the view of the lake out back we have. I guess they're painting and finishing up these doors. I want to put a big TV right here in front of the bed. I'm trying to talk her into it. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment, let me know. You gotta have a big TV in front of your bed. Right there, I think so. And our bathroom. Nice little tile. Custom subway tile with black grout. You guys know I like black. She likes black stuff too, so. There's that little vanity, and then decent sized little walk-in closet. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna get the outside when we go back out front and show you, but that is it for the inside. All right, guys, so this is the outside. Keep in mind, still being finished. So we still gotta do the driveway. The zombie's been trying to get in the garage door, it looks like, but that's a black garage door. The front door, let's see if we can see it. It's gonna be black. Right now it is still white, so the front door will be black. But this is it, guys, almost done. We move in, we close in less than 3 weeks, or right at 3 weeks. So we will be closing soon. Moving into this bad boy. I'm gonna set my office up. Super cool. You guys know I gotta have a super nice, cool office. So I'll update you. I guess I'll do an update on the house when it's finished and the office when it's all finished, so you guys can check it out. All right, guys, but that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, if you guys want any more tips or you want some info on my accountant, just reach out and let me know. I don't know that much about finances and all that kind of stuff, but I do know what I've been through trying to get this house, and we did make it happen. So you guys make sure you're claiming all your money that you're making. I promise you it will pay off in the end. So if you guys like the video, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will catch you guys next time.